Welcome, taxpayer. On this tutorial, we'll show you how to update banking details on SARS eFiling. To update your banking details, log on to your eFiling profile. From the individual profile, click on Home, located at the top of the page. Select SARS Registered Details on the left menu, then Maintain SARS Registered Details. Please read the instruction carefully and select I agree checkbox to continue. Please make sure you have the tax subscription before selecting Proceed. By clicking Proceed, you'll be redirected to the Registration Amendment and Verification Form, RAV01. Select My Registered Particulars on the left of the screen. Then select My Bank Accounts below. Click Add New Bank Account at the top of the form. You will now be asked to complete the bank account details and click on the plus sign to select the bank from the list. Select the bank and click on the OK button. Now click Done. The added banking details will be shown on the list. Click Save. The form will be saved. You'll be redirected to the Registration work page. Click on the hyperlink under Legal Entity Name to reopen the saved form. After the form is open, select My Tax Products, then Revenue, and then Income Tax. This part of the form is where you will click the hyperlink on your tax number. Your tax type demographic will be shown. Head over to Bank Account Details. The Bank Details screen will open. Click Select from My Bank Accounts. Select the bank account you added and click OK. Click Done and then Submit Form. After clicking the Submit Form button, you'll be redirected to the online verification page. Select your preferred method of contact and then click OK. The system will send you a one-time PIN, OTP, via your chosen method of contact. Enter the last 6 digits of your one-time PIN and click Submit. You'll see a confirmation message on the page that states, "Thank you for submitting your registered details to SARS." Remember, the submitted details may take up to 24 hours to be processed. And that concludes the Updating Banking Details on the SARS eFiling tutorial. Thanks for watching. Your Tax Matters, SARS, at your service.